2749 Canasta. This is an Offerpad home. They tend to repaint and replace carpet and make things nice and pretty before putting homes on the market. It's a cul-de-sac, as you can see. The paint is off-white, maybe a slight gray. We need one window shade here. Flooring, from what I've seen so far, looks good. Popcorn ceilings, but it doesn't feel old in here at all, I think because of the wall color and the flooring. So that's another window. So 2 windows, 3, 4, 5. Plus we need some verticals here. So probably junk the hot tub. It's great that we already have this concrete in place. Probably junk the umbrella as well. Neighbors behind us are very high, but at least we have rock back here that's already installed. Fireplace is pretty. Updated. Updated fixture. Cabinets look good. Under-mount sink. Updated appliances, stainless steel. Cabinets show a little bit of wear. Looks like it's the stain wearing off. Not a big issue, just needs to be addressed if Jenny thinks so, and only if. Same situation with these cabinets. Updated mirror. So here's the laundry room. Jenny likes, usually, when it's separated like this, it's its own separate space that no one has to walk through to access the rest of the house or anything else. So that could be a plus. Okay, let's head upstairs. Okay, so we have the master immediately to the left with double doors, high ceilings, 6, 7. The condition of the paint and the carpet looks great from what I've seen. Okay. Interesting. So here, the toilet is right next to the sink, not separated from the shower at all. A little bit of wear on the paint for the cabinets. Eight windows. A little bit of wear on these as well. Updated mirror and fixture. Need a shower rod. Nine. So 9 windows. Nice fan. Condition of everything looks great overall. See little things like this, but that's completely normal. And an updated light at the front.